Hello guys, so today we are solving another user 2021 question of numerical answer type. So let's start. When young Musa started selling dosas on a street corner to support his daughter Lisa's education, his age was 6 times that of Lisa's. He started selling dosas for rupees 2 each and he increased its price by rupee 1 every year. Lisa grew up to be a successful lawyer, and on Musa's 60th birthday, she gifted him with a small shop near their house, the board of which is seen in the image. In which year Lisa will celebrate her 60th birthday? And this is the board given over here. So let's start solving. So let's start. Musa started the shop in 1989. This is shown from the board. The board is of the current day, and the price of one dosa is mentioned as rupees 32. But when he started selling dosas in 1989, the price of the dosas that he kept was rupees 2 and increased the price of dosa rupee 1 every year. So every year after 1989 he added rupee 1 to the dosa, and today is Musa's 60th birthday, and whatever the year is today, we are given the board over here. So the first thing we need to do over here is we need to write down all the data. So now we have noted the given data over here. So the given data is as follows. The shop started in the year 1989, which is given in this board. The current price of the dosa is also given in this board, rupees 32, and the dosa price in 1989. It is given in the question over here that the dosa price in 1989 when he started selling dosas was rupees 2. Increase in the dosa price every year, it is given as rupee 1. It is given in the same line itself, increased its price by rupee 1. So when he started the shop in 1989 to whatever year he is celebrating his 60th birthday, he increased the price by rupee 1 every year. Okay, so two equations that we are going to form over here are as follows. So we have written the equations. So what we have taken as from the first line, when young Musa started selling dosas on a street corner to support his daughter's education Lisa, his age was 6 times that of Lisa. So what we have done is in 1989, let Musa's age be M and let Lisa's age be L. So it is given over here that Musa's age was 6 times his daughter's age. So we have formed the first equation, M is equal to 6L in 1989. The second information what we are given over here is he started selling dosas for 2 rupees each and increased its price by 1 every year. Since it is some year today when he is celebrating his 60th birthday, we don't know what year. So what we have done is, if it is 2000, if it is 2009, whatever year it is, that subtracted by 1989 will give us how many years it has been since 1989 to whatever day he is celebrating his 60th birthday. So when we have taken that difference as x. So if he is celebrating his 60th birthday in the year 2000, or if he is celebrating his 60th birthday in the year 2010 or 2020 any time, then 2000 whatever year he is celebrating his 60th birthday minus the year 1989 is x. Okay, so every year he was increasing the price by rupee 1. He started the selling dosas for rupee 2 in 1989. So this is another equation that we have formed. 2 plus 1 every year he is increasing the price into number of years is equal to 32. I hope you guys understand this equation. He started selling the dosa of rupees 2 rupees 2 in 1989, increased the price by rupee 1 every year. Every year rupee 1 price multiplied by the number of years will give you the current price. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll just solve the equation. We'll start from equation number 2 first. Equation number 2 will give us what is the difference between the year when he is celebrating his 60th birthday and 1989. So let's start. So over here, if we directly solve equation 2, so solving equation 2, we'll get over here 2 plus x is equal to 32, where x will be 30. So the difference between the year when he is celebrating his 60th birthday to the difference between 1989 is 30. So if on the if after 30 years from 1989 he is celebrating his 60th birthday. So 30 years from 1989 will be 1989 plus 30. So that comes out to be 2019. In 2009 he is celebrating his 60th birthday. Birthday. So definitely his age in 1989 would have been 30 years itself, right? And now from the first equation we know that Musa's age in 1989 was 6 times his daughter Lisa's age. We'll just substitute Musa's age. We'll write here Musa's age in 1989. We'll just substitute Musa's age in this equation, which was in 1989. So 30 is equal to 6L. Musa's age in 1989 substituted in this equation, where Lisa was 6 times of Musa. So we'll get the value of age of Lisa in the year 1989. It is 5 years. So in 1989. So now when it is asked that when will Lisa celebrate her 60th birthday? So after 5 years of age, it will be 55 years since she celebrates her until she celebrates her 60th birthday. So we'll directly add 55 over here in 1989. So Lisa 60th birthday. She was 5 years in 1989, plus it will be 55 years until she celebrates her 60th birthday. So it will be basically 60 years of age. Okay, so 1989 plus 55, this will give us 2044. So in the year 2044 Lisa will be celebrating her 60th birthday. An easy question. Hope you guys understood. If any doubt, just comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you guys, and we'll keep posting another videos of USET 2021 question paper for now.